Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a brand new 2023 Hemisphere 22RK travel trailer. This is a one slide out, smaller couples coach. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, then we'll close it up at the end and show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2023 Hemisphere 22RK here. We are going to start back here to back, and then we'll kind of work our way forward. So this is a rear kitchen, rear bathroom kind of floor plan setup here. So right here on our left, we have the bathroom area. So there is a little vent fan up there, AC ducts, skylight up above, ABS tub surround, basically a step-in shower with a pull-across door. Porcelain foot flush toilet, some storage under your sink area there. Traditional wood medicine cabinet, some little robe hook holders as well. Has a sliding pocket door to kind of give you privacy for that area. And back here we have kitchen area. So there is a skylight up above and a little vent fan up here as well. Overhead cabinet space. Pretty good amount of space back here on both sides. The windows down here do open. You have a high-rise sprayer faucet, large undermount sink here. Storage down below is pretty good amount as well. Drawer wise, you have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. The electric box with the breakers and fuses down here, and a propane furnace right there as well. A decent amount of counter space also. Now, as part of the slide out over here, you have your Furrion microwave, Furrion hood range light and fan. A little bit of cabinet space next to this as well. Three burner gas cooktop with the flip down glass lid. Do not cook on the glass. It's not meant for that. It's just there for a backsplash and extra counter space when you're not using the gas part. You have propane oven, again, 3 burner propane stovetop. Does have the little light up knobs and a light inside. And you have a pretty large drawer underneath as well. Some more drawer space over here. Now they are using the 10.7 cubic foot Furrion 12 volt refrigerator. So you have freezer on top and refrigerator on bottom. Over here we have kind of a little pantry area. Could be used as a hanging closet. That shelf is actually removable. Propane leak detector down below, and then digital thermostat here for your AC and furnace. Speaking of the AC, up top here you have a ducted Coleman AC. On the dining area, this will actually make into a bed. If you want, you can fold that down so you could sleep an extra guest or two. Underneath it here is also storage on both sides. Then just up above, basically directly across from your reclining theater seat here, you have a Furrion soundbar, a TV on a swing arm. So you can kick back, relax after a long day of out hiking or doing whatever you might be doing. You can come in here and watch some TV before bed. Below there is electric outlet and USB charger ports on the bottom of that cabinet. And then you have some more storage on each side of the TV. The big window there at the dinette area does open. You have pulled down roller shades on those windows. The theater seat here does have the lights on around the cup holder ring and also on the floor area down there. Some cup holders in the middle that don't light up, and then you also have a little bit of storage there as well. Big windows back here also open. The bedroom area here, you have hanging closet on each side of the bed. And you can kind of see back in behind there, electric outlet and USB charger port, and a little shelf space back there as well. But back to that closet area, decent amount of room there. And then you have a little bit of space above with the little shock assist here. The window on both sides of the beds do open. You have, again, electric outlet USB charger ports on both sides of the bed. The bed will also raise up, and there's some storage underneath of there as well. Traditional entry door and screen door. And then here we have the control panel. So you have your awning in and out button, slide out in and out button, some light switches, 12-volt tank heaters. It has an enclosed underbelly and 12-volt tank heaters, so you can do more cold weather camping. Water heater on gas button, the electric button's outside, water pump switch, fresh black gray galley battery meters all right here. But overall, pretty cool, nice lightweight couples trailer here. We're going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside. Then we're going to come back in here and close this thing up for you. Show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Salem Hemisphere 22RKHL model here. We're going to start here on the door side, kind of work our way around. So first things up, we have kind of an off-white or cream-colored fiberglass exterior here with a lower tan metal skirting. You have aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewalls, deep tint safety glass windows, power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, and you also have a manual crank override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. Now across the front side here, you have a large pass-through storage compartment area here. There's a light in here. The light switch for the front cap lights is also in there as well. You can also see some of that aluminum tube framing up there. The baggage door here does have a slam lock, and it's also held up by a magnetic holder as well. They are currently using the MoreRide Step Above entry step. This is rated for 500 pounds, has adjustable feet, and basically just flips in and out of the doorway when you're traveling. Traditional RV entry door and screen door has a window in it, and that window is also tinted as well. And then you have a large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out of the RV. 2 outdoor speakers here, along with the little pet-friendly leash latch holder down there as well. Wide stance axle system, aluminum wheels, drum brakes. Now the wide stance axle system is supposed to make it a little more stable and less sway when you're driving down the highway. It has a 110-volt mini fridge. There's also a little outdoor gas griddle that can hang right here as well. You have a cold water spray port here. There is a TV mount here, cable outlet, and electric outlet. So you got kind of a little outside entertainment area here under your awning area. Now just kind of looking down below here, there is manual scissor jacks on this particular unit the way it was ordered, and enclosed underbelly as well. And you can also see the gas line hookup under there where you would plug in that portable griddle. Traditional 4-inch squared tube bumper on the back. A lot of people like to store their dump hose in there. Spare tire mounted on the back. Also has a cover with it currently. There is prepping for the Lippert Stow and Go portable ladder. That's a nice little aftermarket feature you can buy. It'll attach and telescope down when you're ready to use it, and basically allow you to get up and down on and off your roof, and then throw it in a storage compartment when you're not using it, so you don't have to worry about kids or somebody that you don't want climbing up your ladder getting on your roof. It is prepped for a Furrion backup camera to go on the back of the RV. This particular one already has it on it. The customer decided to do that, so it's been installed. 6-gallon gas electric water heater back here. The 1 1/16 drain plug in the bottom middle, and the electric switch in the lower left when you open up that door right there. Furnace exhaust out right there as well. And then on the right side below the taillight there, you have cable and satellite inlets as well. Right here on the back side, you have hot and cold outside utility shower. You have city water and freshwater inlets, along with a black tank flush clean out as well. Detachable power cord right here. This probably stretches out about 30, maybe 35 feet long roughly. And just down below is your tank dump area for your gray and black tanks right here. Now this customer also chose to do the slide out awning cover feature. The camper comes prepped for a slide topper by Solaire. And talk with your salesperson about adding on a slide topper, but a nice feature to consider doing. It helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. And it rolls in and out automatically with the room when you run in and out. Here you do have a little storage compartment area. There's light in here, you can obviously see. Oh, and I did forget to mention when we were inside, the material on the slide floor is that kind of woven material they use on pontoon boats and stuff instead of carpet. So it's a little easier to maintain and clean up. Now just down below the front side here, you have a freshwater tank drain. The other side of the storage compartment area here, there is a battery disconnect switch right up in here. Now some important informational stickers are right here. Dry weight sticker. So this particular unit has a dry weight of 5,590 pounds. Tells me the length is 26 feet 7 inches. Tire size ST 205 75 R15 D range tires with a 65 psi cold pressure. Very important to keep up with your tire pressure, by the way. VIN number sticker here. You have axle sizes, production date, model number, but gross vehicle weight. So that's the most you can load it up to, 7,530 pounds. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. On the front side here, you have a 3/4 fiberglass cap. Does have a little LED light strip built into it down there. Nicely rounded back, so it is a little bit more aerodynamic than the traditional flat front. It's got a pretty good shape to it there. Power tongue jack, LED light strip. You have 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. There is room for 1 or possibly 2 batteries, depending on the size of the battery you go with. 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator, and it also has that hard bottle cover. Now, this customer also chose to go with the Blue Ox Sway Pro hitch, so you're seeing some Blue Ox brackets there. All right, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this portion of the video. We're going to head inside real quick. I want to show you what it looks like closed up. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we're back up inside the brand new 2023 Salem Hemisphere 22RK Hyperlight model here. And I want to show you what this looks like closed real quick. So when you are ready to close it up, very, very important to make sure your floor is clean. You don't want any rocks or anything like that, kids' toys, anything in the way. It will run them over, possibly tear up your floor and stuff. So very important to sweep off your camper floor before you try to close it. When you are ready to close it, you just got to come back here to the slide button. Push in on it. This is a 12-volt slide system, so as long as you got a good charged up battery, this thing should roll in and out. Now when you do plug into electric, you have a converter in the RV that basically converts electric down to 12 volt, and that will power this as well. But it goes in fairly easy. Again, you're just taking a few seconds out of your time to run it in and out. So there you go. So it's in. So with it in and closed up, I can still come back in here. I could squeeze back through here if I really need to get to the bathroom. So if you're stopping at a rest area or something, you know, I can come back in here and get to my bathroom. I could maybe grab a little something out of the pantry if I really had to. I got pretty much full access to the sink area and cabinet area, plenty of room, you know, to get in and out of that part of it. I could get in and out of my fridge, so if I needed to, you know, stop at the grocery store area and load something in the fridge, I could do so. I could come in here, go to bed, sleep at a rest area or something if I get tired. So it's not unusable if it's closed up. And then when you're ready to go back out, same thing, just push the button to go out. Takes a few seconds to roll right on back out. Now, if you don't mind, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you know anybody looking for a lightweight style RV, or really any RV for that matter. Be sure to tell them to check out Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. They ship them all over the United States, Canada, and sometimes even overseas. So they'll definitely be able to take pretty good care of you. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my video.